Okay, it's kind of nice. You don't have a whole lot on these. Just make sure you recognize these. Remember I said up here there are these receptors in the body that are triggering this. They're reading like this high osmolality and then triggering this increase in antidiuretic hormone that's then going to increase the fluid. Here they're giving you a couple of examples of those receptors. We have these osmo receptors. You don't even have to know where they are. All you need to know is that they signal that release of ADH, right? ADH is located in the posterior pituitary. Really just remember pituitary. So the osmo receptors are triggered because they sense a very high osmolality. They trigger the pituitary gland to then release more antidiuretic hormone, which then causes the kidney to reabsorb more water than it normally would. That more water goes into the vascular space, and then it's going to dilute some of this, some of these particles that are in here. Baroreceptors, very, very similar. Baroreceptors are located also in your blood vessels, the carotid artery. We'll talk about these when we talk about hypertension. But they are stimulated by, instead of being stimulated by the osmolality, like the osmoreceptors, they're stimulated by the actual plasma volume. So you've got this here. Sure, you might have a billion particles, but those baroreceptors aren't necessarily sensing that. What they're sensing is that we actually have a decrease of fluid in this space. We don't have enough. We're becoming hypovolemic. Those baroreceptors will then again stimulate the pituitary, right, to release antidiuretic hormone, which again is going to do an increase in water fluid intake. Instead of releasing it out of the kidney, it's going to be reabsorbed into circulation. So that's pretty easy to understand. Just make sure you know the difference between these two things. It's super easy because osmoreceptors are sensing osmolality, and then the only one left, your baroreceptors, are actually sensing the level of fluid in the blood.